Introducing JNDAE Trading Group, an entity focused on crafting novice traders into Forex masters. We cultivate independence and proficiency. The spotlight is on the market bandit strategy. With simplicity and efficiency, it's an absolute game changer. You get essential tools and an advantage in the competitive Forex. With Market Bandit, make your mark and reap the benefits like never before. Let's dive deeper into what our comprehensive Forex course entails. A step-by-step guide, it covers basics to advanced strategies. Experience live trading sessions, participate and learn in real time. Gain detailed analysis. All this wealth of knowledge is absolutely free. Stay tuned to find out how you can access this course. We have an exhilarating revelation to share with you. Our Forex course, usually pricey, is now free. Unbelievably, you can learn today at no cost. This limited time opportunity is your chance to begin Forex learning. Don't wait, this offer won't last forever. Embark on your adventure today. Get our Forex course for no cost at all. Learn and excel in the strategy of trading with us, JNDAE. Become a part of the exclusive JNDAE Trading Group. We promise you a journey to us. We're waiting for you.